In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products to different pages in Shopify. We'll walk through this inside the Shopify editor, so go ahead and log into your Shopify admin to follow along. Once you're in your admin dashboard, look over to the menu on the left-hand side and click on Online Store. Under that, select Themes. This is where you manage how your storefront looks and what appears on each page. On your current theme, click the button that lets you edit your theme. This might be labeled Customize or Edit Theme, depending on your setup, but it will open the Visual Theme Editor. This editor shows a preview of your store on the right and a list of sections and settings on the left. Next, navigate to the specific page where you want your products to appear. You can usually do this using the drop-down at the top of the editor, choosing from pages like Home, About, or any custom page you've created. Make sure you're on the exact page you want to modify before continuing. Now look back to the left-hand panel and click on Add section. You'll see a list of different section types you can add. To display products, choose either Featured Collection or Product Grid. Featured Collection is great if you want to highlight a specific group of products, while Product Grid is useful if you want a more general layout of multiple items. After adding the section, click on it in the left-hand panel to open all of its settings. Here you can choose which collection you want to feature and how many products you want to show on that page. Take a moment to adjust the text options, like the heading size, description, and description style, so the section matches your brand voice. You can then adjust the collection layout, including how many columns to show, whether to use a carousel, whether the section is full width, and if you want a View All button and its style. You can also customize the product cards by changing the image ratio and shape, enabling a second image on hover, and toggling details like vendor or product ratings. For mobile users, you can fine-tune the mobile layout, such as columns or carousel behavior, and adjust padding to control the spacing around the section. You'll also see options such as scroll effects, card style, color scheme, whether to show currency codes, and even a field for custom CSS if you need very specific styling. Once you're happy with how everything looks, don't forget the most important step: click Save. That's it. You've successfully added products to a specific page in your Shopify store.